What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Mike and today we are going to make a UK drill beat inspired by Central Cee. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so in this one we have two major keys. So the first thing, the beat have to be simple and the beat have to be short. I have all the sounds that I want to use. I've used the sounds from Cactus parts. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is, let's go to Arcades. Let's open Arcades, and I have this. Let's build a vocal sample that we can start with before we start making drums. Alright. Alright, let's start with this one. Let's put in the drum. Alright, it's coming good. Alright, so I think this one is good. So let's put in the playlist here. Double click, let's check, okay. And then go here, left click, and let's do render and replace. Alright, so this is what we got now. What we're going to do is pitch it. Alright, let's put it in the mixer. Alright, let's put some reverb. Yeah, now it sounds good. Let's start building the drums now. Let's start making the drums. Something like that. Let's copy these hi-hats here and then paste them on this other one. Sorry, layer it with this one. Oh, sorry. Alright, so let's just make a simple chord. Alright, let's go on the keyboard. Yeah, so this one sounds good. So let's do this. Just make it simple, because it has to be simple. So oh, good. Okay. Alright, so now let's make another one. Let's bring this down. The next one should come down like this. Just bring this one 5 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let me see. It's going to sound good. I don't know if it's going to sound good. Yeah, sounds good. But I feel like let's add another one. So, yeah, let's add this one. Sounds fire already. Yeah, so let's just keep it simple. Let's make the 808 right now. Let's make sure that the 808, we turn on the envelope, bring this here, do this, do this, do this. If you want, you can even go here and then click on cut itself so that it shouldn't overlap. Yeah, let's go here. Alright, so now let's make another one. Yeah, let's make some slides. I think we're done with the 808, so let's hear how it's gonna sound. Perfect. So now let's put the kick. Yeah. This one sounds good. Already hear Central Cee on this one. All right, so I think we are done. So the only thing that I'm supposed to do right now is to arrange it, and I'll be right back, and then we'll listen to it together. All right, so I'm back. I didn't do much to it. I only added a guitar here from Omnisphere. Sounds like this. Just simple like that. Alright, so now let's listen to the whole song.
It's my.
So that's the intro. I've added this cactus too. Yo, this is sick. I can definitely hear Central Cee on this one. And that's it. And that's it. We're done. As simple as that. The beat is done. You don't need to put a lot of sounds. Simplicity is the key. If you like this type of videos, please let me know. Like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, turn on the notification. Thank you. Catch you next time. Peace.